This is Oraimo's $18 portable Bluetooth speaker. Because Oraimo can be very unpredictable with its product names, this one is called the Oraimo SpaceBox. I know you're probably thinking about the SpacePods or the SpaceBuds. Oraimo says the space lineup is all about innovation, freedom, and advanced technology. But does the SpaceBox live up to the hype, or is it just another Oraimo product? In this video, I will share my honest opinion about this speaker, from its build to the features, sound quality, battery life, and overall pros and cons. I will also share my thoughts on whether it's worth your money. The Oraimo SpaceBox is small, stylish, and promises a big sound. But does it deliver? Let's find out. But before we do, you can grab this speaker from the official Oraimo store for 26,000 naira. Use our coupon code displayed on your screen or in the video description to get yourself a 5% discount and have it delivered to your doorstep. I've added the direct link to this speaker in the video description. My name is Mr. Roy. This is All Around Review. Oraimo has kept things simple with this one. Inside the box, you get the SpaceBox itself, a Type-C charging cable, a speaker lanyard for easy carrying, and a user manual. The design is where Oraimo flexed their creativity again. The body resembles the Oraimo SpaceBuds, with a transparent wave-like design and a curved edges that gives off that premium feel. The body is made of plastic, while the speaker grill is metal. At just 280 grams, it is lighter than your average power bank and fits comfortably in one hand, making it easy to carry anywhere. The included lanyard is super handy for portability. You can loop it around your wrist or attach it to your bag. To get the best out of the speaker, download the Oraimo Sound app and pair it with your phone. Pairing is straightforward, just like any other Oraimo speakers or earbuds. I will link a video on how to pair it in the video description. The Oraimo SpaceBox is highly portable. You can confidently pick it up with one hand every time. However, the plastic material makes it slippery and prone to scratches, so be careful if you plan to use it in a rough environment. Unfortunately, there is no rubber casing or IP rating just like we have in the Oraimo Wrap, a partially similar product, so it isn't water or dust resistant. Definitely avoid pool parties with this one. The little rubber stand underneath helps to prevent slipping or flipping on most surfaces, but it's not the best. If you keep it flat, you miss out some of the vibration absorption that the rubber provides. And the speaker tends to move a lot due to vibrations when you place it flat. The top of the speaker houses 3 buttons: volume down, play pause, and volume up. Underneath, you will find the power button and Bluetooth button. Both requires a bit of extra pressure to press, which is odd but manageable. There is also a memory card slot and a Type-C port. Opening the ports might be tricky without sharp fingers. The Oraimo SpaceBox features Bluetooth 5.4 for reliable connectivity along with built-in FM radio. And let's not forget the lightning. It has a built-in light ring that synchronizes with your music, acting like a mini disco ball. You can customize the colors and themes through the Oraimo Sound app. Now let's talk about the most important part of any other Bluetooth speakers, the sound quality. This is where the SpaceBox actually shines. The speaker delivers powerful booming bass thanks to the Oraimo's HavyBass technology. For an 8-watt speaker, it's surprisingly loud. At max volume, there is noticeable distortion, but considering its size, it's not a deal breaker. The lows, mids, and highs aren't the best, but are acceptable for casual listening. You can tweak the sound further using the Oraimo Sound app, which offers 3 EQ presets. We have the standard, HavyBass, and vocal. You can even create custom EQs to suit your preference. The app also allows you to control your volume and power off your speaker remotely. This is how the speaker actually sounds on a normal volume. It's a celebration of innovation, quality, and affordability. And guess what? During this week, you get automatic discount on all your favorite Oraimo products. But wait, there's more. We've got exclusive coupon code for extra saving. Using this coupon code is a breeze. You just have to follow these steps. Visit the Oraimo website or use the Oraimo app. Browse your favorite products from earbud to power banks. Add item to your cart. At checkout, enter the coupon code displayed on your screen and watch the price magically drop. And that's not all. Explore. Connectivity is solid thanks to the Bluetooth 5.4 once again. Pairing takes just seconds and the range is reliable up to 10 meters. Even through walls, it holds up very well. The speaker powers off automatically after 5 minutes if no device is connected, or after about 30 minutes if there is no activity. Now, turning it on is as simple as holding the power button for 2 seconds. Inserting a memory card automatically switches it to SD card mode, and you can also toggle between Bluetooth, FM and SD card modes by tapping the power button twice. To disable or enable the LED light, hold the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. This is helpful if you don't have the app installed. You can also reset the SpaceBox by holding the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. The battery life is decent. I managed to drain it after about 7 hours of use at averagely high volume. Charging takes around 2 to 3 hours. There is also a PlaytimeBoost Mode in the app, which disables bass and lightning to extend the battery life. For calls, the microphone isn't the best but works fine for group calls, meetings or emergencies. This is a mic test of the Oraimo SpaceBox. Alright guys, so this is the mic test for the Oraimo SpaceBox. I did this test in a quiet environment and the app I am using to make this record is the Google Recorder. So I'm just going to play this voice record right now for you to know how the Oraimo SpaceBox mic sounds like. So I'm just going to save it. Alright guys, so this is the mic test for the Oraimo SpaceBox. I did this test in a quiet environment and the app I am using to make this record is the Google Recorder. So I'm just going to play this voice record right now for you to know how the Oraimo SpaceBox mic sounds like. After using the Oraimo SpaceBox for a certain period of time, I have my own pros and cons about this SpaceBox. The pros are actually how compact it is and the stylish design. Also the customizable lighting and the EQ settings, impressive bass and clear sounds. Another one has to do with the extension of battery life with the PlaytimeBoost Mode. Now when it comes to the cons, I want to talk about how there is no water or dust resistance. The lack of an IP rating means the SpaceBox isn't suitable for rugged use. For those of us that like using portable speakers for exercise, there's gonna be an issue here. Now another one is the proneness to scratches. The plastic build, while stylish, is very prone to scratches. And the next one has to do with no dual connection support. Unlike some competitors, the Oraimo SpaceBox doesn't allow you to connect 2 devices at once, which can be inconvenient if you like to switch between 2 devices such as your phone and your laptop. Another thing I complained about is the stiffness of the buttons and the port actually. The power button and the Bluetooth buttons are too strong. I really don't know what Oraimo was thinking, but all the same, they have their reasons. The question here is that, is the Oraimo SpaceBox worth your money? Based on my experience, it's a solid product. For its price, it offers an excellent mix of style, sound and features. It's fun, functional and affordable. Now the only downside is its tendency to scratch easily, but if you're careful enough, that won't be an issue. That's it for today's review on all-round review. This is Mr. Roy here once again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. And if you are planning to grab yourself the Oraimo SpaceBox, don't forget to use our coupon code for a sweet discount. Until next time, keep jamming and keep exploring.